In this video, I'll show you how to sell digital products on Whop. Start by signing into your Whop account. If this is your first time using Whop, complete the onboarding by choosing digital products when asked what you want to sell. Enter a business name, such as Learn Mode Lab, then finish the setup to create your workspace. Next, open your workspace and click Apps from the left menu. Click New App and choose an app that fits your product, such as files for PDFs and zip files, courses for video lessons, or another app that matches your content. After that, upload your digital product or add your course content. Give your app a name, write a short description, and save your changes. Now click Access Passes from the left menu, then click New Access Pass. Enter a name for your offer, choose whether you want to charge a one-time payment or a subscription, and set your price. Next, review the access settings to make sure buyers receive access to your app after purchasing. If prompted, connect your payout account so you can receive payments. Finally, publish your access pass, copy your storefront or checkout link, and share it with your audience so customers can purchase your digital product. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sell digital products on Whop. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.